Ford has just received an astounding $9.2 billion from the US government. However, not everyone is pleased with this decision. The UAW has raised concerns, revealing a disagreement between their stance and the Biden administration. This news has significant implications, suggesting potential support for Tesla's mandated charges in multiple US states in the next 6 months. In fact, it's the largest loan ever granted by the US government to an automaker. This indicates that Ford is facing severe financial difficulties and struggling to secure funds from the private market at affordable rates. Ford's project, called the Blue Oval City, involves a collaboration with the SK Innovation, a prominent cell manufacturer. UAW's objections may stem from the fact that it includes a partnership with a Korean company. The UAW president openly criticized the Biden administration for providing this loan, arguing that it's a one-sided giveaway that neglects crucial factors such as fair wages, suitable working conditions, union rights, and retirement security for workers. Wages at battery joint venture plants are likely to become a major point of contention during upcoming contract negotiations with the 3 major automakers in Detroit. The UAW president raises a valid question about why the Biden administration is facilitating corporate greed with taxpayer money. This loan puts low-paying jobs at risk, highlighting the importance of considering the wages offered at these plants. Reports suggest that General Motors and LG were compensating workers at a rate of just $16 per hour, which is lower than what some McDonald's employees earn in certain states. This raises concerns about potential wage rates at Ford's joint venture with SK Innovations as they establish battery plants in Kentucky and Tennessee. These facilities are expected to have a combined annual battery production capacity of over 120 gigawatt hours, enough to power the production of 1 to 2 million cars depending on battery pack sizes. The UAW accuses the federal government of neglecting its power to improve the situation and instead financing the competition with public funds. However, it's worth considering that the US government is aware that if they don't provide funding to Ford and SK Innovation, Ford may turn to CATL, a Chinese company, to establish battery production in America. This move could be seen as an opportunity for the Chinese to infiltrate the US economy. Ford has expressed its expectation of offering competitive wages and benefits to the workforce involved in this joint venture. They also demonstrate respect and support for the workers' right to organize. The White House responded with a measured statement, affirming President Biden and the UAW's shared goal of securing the future of the American automotive industry through well-paying union jobs.